Yesterday, I received a very interesting query from a husband who told me that his wife has filed a complaint under Section 498 IPC, which is cruelty against married women, against him. And in the complaint, she has claimed that he used to subject her to beating regularly. So I asked him if that is true. And upon asking, he told me, no, it is not her who was the subject of beating. It was me who is the subject of beating. And she used to thrash me regularly. So I asked him, do you have any documentary evidence to prove that? Because it is of utmost priority that wherever genders are involved in a fight, documentary evidence is required, especially if a man is a subject of beating. So he says, yes, I have the MLC done. And I told him, if you have got MLC done, you have already won the fight in a very proportionate ratio. And if the wife does not provide a copy of MLC, then the court would rule in his favor. So he told me that as per his understanding, the wife does not have an MLC because she was never subjected to cruelty or any beating. So I told him that Delhi High Court rules in favor of the men. If the wife says that I have severe injuries on my body, but she does not provide an MLC, the court would not admit those as injury marks, and it would result in favor of the husband.